Hey, this is Deborah Robertson. Just got a question for you this morning. Is your company making your bank account disappear? Yep, that's my question. I know there are a lot of network marketing companies out there, people that I've been talking to on social media, and they're saying, well, my company is really not set up to market on the internet. And I'm like, do what? We're in the 21st century. If your company is not designed to be marketed on the internet, then let me tell you something, folks. You are leaving a lot of money on the table. You have got to be in a company that will allow you to 100% market online. Now, I know a lot of you are probably in the juice business, and I'm not knocking the juice business because I actually do drink one myself, even though I'm not doing it as a business. But you cannot market juices online. You know why? Because you have tasting parties, and you can't have a tasting party with somebody in Australia. You can't have a tasting party with somebody in China unless you're living right there. With some companies, you can only do warm market. That's all you can do. And if you're in a company where you can only do warm market, I'm sorry, friends, but you're in the wrong company. This is the 21st century. I only know, now that doesn't mean there are more, but I only know of 2 companies right now that everything is totally online. The product is online, the auto ship comes to you online, it doesn't come to your house, everything is online. Now with those 2 companies, one has a $179 per month price tag and the other one has a $31 a month price tag. So I'll let you decide which one of those companies might be better for you. Meanwhile, just go on over to click on my link over there and go to my blog and check out what I'm having to say about that, and I will see you there. Thanks for stopping by.